Consider the following triangles. Which statements about the triangles are true? And they want us to pick two answers, so pause the video and try this on your own. Okay, so the first statement, the triangles are identical copies of each other. Let's see, is that the case? Well, it looks like this side that is of length 5, that is between the 63-degree angle and the 60-degree angle in both of these triangles. Or another way to think about it, that side of length 5 is adjacent to both of those angles. So far that's looking pretty good. But then when I look at the other side, the side of length 8, right over here, in the first triangle, it is opposite the 63-degree angle. And then in this second triangle, it's not opposite the 63-degree angle, it's opposite the 60-degree angle. So I don't think these are identical copies of each other. So I'm going to rule this one out. The side, let me go back to, well, I'll use blue. The side labeled 5 is adjacent to the 63-degree angle in both triangles. Yeah, that's right. Here's the 63-degree angle. 5 is adjacent to it. 63-degree angle, 5 is adjacent to it. So I like this choice. I need to find one more now. The triangles cannot be the same because they have different orientations. No. You can definitely rotate things around and still say that these triangles are the same. I guess it depends on how you define same. But usually in geometry, you'll say that these triangles will, in the future, use words like congruence, etc. But you can reorient themselves and they're still the same. So I do not like that choice. So let's hope that D actually works. The 63-degree angle is between different sides in each triangle. So here it's between 5 and whatever this side is. And it's not the 8 length. In fact, we know that this isn't going to be 8 here because this is a different angle here. I don't want to get too much into it. But we know this isn't an isosceles triangle because we have different angles here. And then we can even calculate this angle. This angle is going to be 57 degrees over here, 57 degrees over here. So we're not going to have a situation where any of these sides are the same. So we know that this side is, let's put it this way, it is not 8 or 5. And this one right over here, is not 8 or 5 either. Not 8 or 5. They're not necessarily going to be the same, but they're definitely not 8 or 5. So the 63-degree angle is between different sides in each. Yes, it's here, the 63-degree angle is between the 5 side and the not 8 or 5 side. While here, the 63-degree angle is between the 5 side and the 8 side. So it's between different sides in each triangle. So I like choice D as well.